Hey, it's Paul with rackoutfitters.com, and this is a fit for a Chevrolet Suburban 2015 through 2019 and possibly beyond. This is a connection to the flush side rails, which have fixed point connections on the inner edge in multiple locations. This is a Rhino-Rack Vortex RCH base roof rack system using the Rhino-Rack Vortex load bars, 59 inches in length in black, and the RCH 4 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which attaches to those fixed point connections on the inner edges. That is the part number RCP43-BK. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 36¼ inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum carrying capacity is 220 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when it's equipped. Those are all the key specifications of this Rhino-Rack Vortex base roof rack system on the Chevrolet Suburban. I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com, and thanks for watching.